Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to focus on understanding how to perform manual currency conversions in Onfinity ERP. The agenda is to go through the process of currency conversion and how it functions within the system. The objective is to help understand the Onfinity currency conversion feature and the related terms within the context of business processes. The prerequisites are to ensure a configured tenant is available in the environment, and that organizations are already set up within that tenant. Currency conversion is the process of converting one country's currency into another using a defined exchange rate. It is essential for valuing monetary transactions, assets, or balances across different currencies. This function supports international trade, travel, and accurate financial reporting. For example, converting INR to USD or USD to INR. This session will cover the manual method of currency conversion. Now, let's move into the system and walk through the setup. First, remove any filters to view all available options clearly. Navigate to Global Settings and select Currency. To perform a conversion, search for the currency. In this example, it is INR. Once selected, move to the Conversion Rates tab. Click on New Record. Choose the target currency, which in this case is USD. From the drop-down list, select the appropriate currency rate type. For this example, use the spot rate type. If a different rate type is required, use the zoom function to open the currency rate type window and create a new one as needed. Now, enter the validity period. Set the valid from and valid to dates as required. Here, both are set to June 17th. Enter the divide rate, for example, 86.24. The multiply rate is auto-calculated based on the divide rate. An important note is that once the record is saved, the system automatically generates the reverse conversion from USD to INR. Save the record. After saving, move to the USD currency entry and navigate to its conversion rates. The USD to INR conversion entry is now visible, auto-generated by the system. Alternatively, if preferred, conversions can also be created using the currency exchange rate window. Navigate to this window and enter the conversion details similarly. The records created here will also be reflected under the currency conversion entries. This completes the process of performing manual currency conversions in Onfinity ERP. In the next session, we'll look at the process of setting up automatic currency conversions in Onfinity ERP. Please join us there next, and thank you for attending.